To add another device to the Smart Lock Trusted Devices list in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen. Tap Smart Lock. Enter your current secure screen lock. As the example, if you use pattern, draw your pattern. Tap Trusted Devices. Tap Add Trusted Device. And then choose the device you like to add to the Trusted Devices list. A pop-up menu appears to inform you about this trusted device. If you like to continue the process, tap Add. The selected device has been added to the Trusted Devices list. As a note, by adding multiple devices to the Smart Lock feature, next time after you unlock your phone, it will stay unlocked for up 4 hours or until it's disconnected from all trusted devices. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.